Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all! Time for another art journal page. I thought I do have, like in this art journal pages that have already paint on it. So I thought I'm gonna use that, and I have this on my table since a while, and I also have like these pieces. Let's see what I come up with. That has to go up here, I think. Yeah, looks good to me. So that's actually from a fashion catalog, and she has wings, which I think I like. So I'm gonna fussy cut that, then let's see where it goes. I also do have here on the side some stenciling, and I'm gonna add some quotes and do some mixed media background, working a little bit more on the background. But first I have to check where I'm gonna go with the whole thing. I do have paints here, my all-time favorite teal from Golden. I do have like a painter's grey and a magenta because there is red in here. I do have a blue, light and buff, and some white. I may grab more paint later, but first I have to figure out where I want to go with the whole thing. That's the way I most of the time start my art journal pages. I have some pieces and just check what I can do with those. So, and if it doesn't work out, well, there is more paint. There's no problem with that for me. No, that's not true. It's not no problem, but I know that I have more paint. If I really don't like it, I can cover up. Okay. I'm liking that. So I actually could add more green grass here. So I have to grab some greens, I guess, and maybe some pinkish flowers, which I could do with the magenta. And over here more like patterns. So I think I'm gonna glue first. I'll maybe tear a little bit so I don't have so hard edges, so it blends in better. Glue stick or gel mat? I think glue stick. Okay, I'm gonna grab some green paint, maybe some pink to mimic this color, and protector. Now where is my bird? I'm not sure about the bird. Not for the moment. Now I do like those patterns here, and I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the magenta. Oh, that's a little bit lot. With the cosmetic sponge, and I think I'm gonna add in some fluorescent or neon pink, just because I can, because I like those colors. Okay. I think that's a stencil from Rebecca Meyer. I like her style. And I'm also gonna use the heart, but just one heart. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I like it. Now I'm gonna put it upside down and I'm gonna work a little bit to get the grass and the flowers here together. So I'm gonna use some greens. Grab another palette. I think I'm also gonna add a little bit of yellow. Now I want to elongate the pathway. That's what I have the pattern buff for. And for that I actually gonna use a simple flat brush. Oops, the green isn't quite dry. So it does mix a little bit with the green, but I don't think it's a real problem. Now I'm gonna use the heat tool because with the pink I really don't wanna mix in the green. We'll be back when it is dry. So it is nice and dry and I want to make more flowers like those pinkish here, maybe even some magenta, I'm not sure yet. But I do have the, well, that's a magenta too, but it's a very light magenta. There's a lot of white in it. And I have to use up that paint, she's getting weird. So let's see. And again I'm going to use the bristle brush. Just testing here. Yeah. So I have, it's kind of hard for you to see, I have already pinkish stuff going on here. So I'm gonna simply add more. But actually it is still too pinkish, it needs a little bit white. The problem is just a little bit. Let's see. I forgot here, I have to change up. There is a saying, it's from a magazine, and this a text here which I don't want, of course. So I have to go in with the green again. And I'm thinking I add some of the darker in some areas. No, don't like it. But what I really think is a little bit of yellow. I think I want to go in a little bit with this turquoise and I'm going to grab another stencil. And again I'm gonna use a cosmetic sponge, but a clean one obviously. And I just gonna randomly those patterns, not over the heart but everywhere else. I need to add some stems here, it bugs me, so I'm gonna go in with the dark green, if I can find it. Here it is, and just adding some stems to the flower. They are floating right now and I don't like that. And I do use a liner brush, so I can't do perfect lines. But now I have to go back again with the yellow, because of course the yellow covers up sometimes the stems, so it was maybe a little bit too much here. There we go. My quote, I'm gonna write it right on over everything. I'm gonna use the Posca pen and I'm gonna do my handwriting, I think. As usual, I turn around and now I'm gonna widen the letters. Okay, leave room in the garden for the angels to dance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment and all that jazz. Till next time, see you!